Hi all, welcome back to CHOTU Creations. This video will give you complete tour about Dharmasthala Sri Manjunatha Swami and some Bahubali statues and some museums and some other parts. This will give you and this will help you for your Dharmasthala tour even. So first thing is first, we need to know about the story behind the temple. So, if you see, Dharmasthala is an Indian temple town on the banks of the Netravati River. This temple is nearby the Netravati River. We have very interesting stories behind this. I will tell you this because if you observe the temple, it looks like some giant temple or some other things, not like a Hindu temple. There is no gopura even. I will tell you the story. Dharmasthala represents a religious tolerance. A Jain Tirthanka is worshipped beside the Daivas and the Lord Manjunatha. Manjunatha means usually we called as Shiva. The priests are Vaishnava Brahmins actually. Here the interesting thing is a Jain called Heggade. He was the guardian for the temple actually. And if you see, 800 years ago, Dharmasthala was known as a Kuduma. Kuduma, the name called Kuduma. Around the 16th century, Sri Devaraja Hegde invited Sri Vadiraja Swami of Udupi, he is belonging to Udupi, to visit that place. The Swamiji gladly came but refused to accept the Bhiksha. Bhiksha means here, food offering in temple. The idol of Manjunatha had not been consecrated according to the Vedic rites. Sri Heggade then requested to Swamiji to reconsecrate the Shivalinga himself. Pleased by the observance of the Vedic rites and the Heggade's charity to all, the Swamiji named the place Dharmasthala, the abode of religion and the charity. Thus, the root of the charity and religious tolerance established by the Pergades 800 years ago and have been nurtured and strengthened by the 21 generations of a Heggade family. Actually, family of Tulu lineage. Tulu is a separate language. I think it is related to the Kannada, but we cannot understand. Even I can understand the Kannada a little bit, but I cannot understand this Tulu language. Today in Dharmasthala blossoms with the fruits of this selfless dedication. So, if you see the transportation for this Dharmasthala by road, by train and by air, the Mangalore is nearest city for the road also, train and air facilities also available in the Mangalore. The Mangalore city is it is around 70 kilometers from the Dharmasthala, and if you see the Bangalore is it is around 300 to 310 or 320 kilometers away from Dharmasthala. We have many KSRTC buses available, continuously available, and it is around 6 to 7 hours of journey. It is actually. And if you see almost if you see and if you talk about the accommodation, I suggest don't go for the private hotels. They will charge heavily. So I will suggest only to book guest houses belonging to the Dharmasthala temple only. We have an option in online facility, and we should book before 2 days, minimum 2 days before we should book. And they charge 800 rupees, and while leaving 300 rupees will be refunded. So no need to worry about the cost also. So 500 rupees it will be very helpful for us, and 24 hours we will get good facilities available actually. Like private hotels only, and they maintain very well and very neat and very good accommodation. No need to worry about the guest houses of providing this Dharmasthala. We have different guest houses like Netravati, Sahyadri, Rajatadri, Vaishaka, Vaishali, Saketa, like that. Actually, we stayed in this Rajatadri guest house. This is the rooms inside that. This is the third floor actually. This is the room what we are staying there. So you can see that the double bed is there, and it is very neatly maintained. And even if you see room very spacious also. and even the bathrooms also very neat and very good condition actually. uh, and I will give the link in the description below for this online booking guest houses and all. You can book through online. This is the good thing for us. Online facilities is providing right now. So you can see here the bathroom is very good. We have western and southern toilets also available. As your wish, you can book. And important thing I want to discuss here is those who feel uncomfort for the journeys in the ghat roads, hill areas, because almost 3 to 4 hours of journey is completely on the hills, on the ghats. Whenever if you have an experience in the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthana, the 7 hills, how much turnings are there, how much the road discomfortability is there in the hill, that more than that it is 10 times more than that it is there. These are the western ghats actually. And if you feel any stomach trouble or any some eye rotations like that, anything, if you feel most of the people feel vomiting sensation because of that. Journey is completely through ghat only. So what I'm suggesting is if possible, if you spend money, go by flight, or otherwise go by train, those who are feeling uncomfortable for these type of ghat road journeys and all. Since Dharmasthala doesn't have its own railway station and no airport actually, but if you see KSRTC is very good. Bus stand is available and very many buses are available throughout South India. They are transporting. So, and if you talk about the darshan, if the crowd is normal, it will take 1 hour time for darshan. If the crowd is more, means it will take 2 to 4 hours of journey. It will take more patience from our side actually. We need to have some patience to be stayed, and I have shown you already how many lines are there, how many queues are there. And one more thing I need to discuss here, the nearby places to visit in Dharmasthala is the Bahubali statue. I already shown you in the video. The car museum, I have uploaded the video already. The car museum is fantastic actually. I just impressed very well because the kings were used that cars, and some Britishers also used that cars. Very good companies, very branded companies actually, like Mercedes-Benz, Ford, Chevrolet, and some American companies also there. And one more thing here, the nearby Dharmasthala, we have a fish park. There a lot of fishes are available. We need to see definitely, because people, children especially, will enjoy very nicely. And nearby we have Netravati river bank also, so we need to visit that one. We didn't visit that one due to lack of time. And this Rama Mandir also is there nearby Dharmasthala town. It is there in Dharmasthala itself. And Manjusha museum also. So we didn't visit these three, Netravati river and Rama Mandir and Manjusha museum. If possible, don't forget to visit these three also. They are very famous in the Dharmasthala actually. And one more thing, the temple providing food for every pilgrim. No need to worry about the food and water, and regarding this hospitality, especially people suffering from the toilets. So free toilets are available everywhere. No need to worry about this one, and they are maintaining very well also. This is the very good thing in Dharmasthala. And if you see, this is the Bahubali statue museum actually. It is nearby 1 kilometer away from Dharmasthala temple. So they're providing history and the story of this Bhagwan Bahubali, and it is almost similar to the Shravana Beligula Gomateshwara Swami, similar only. And if you see here, they presented here some story behind that and some history behind that. You can observe there, Heggade, the family of Heggade. They are the founders actually. They are the main people. And if you observe the old photos and how they built and how they transporting at the olden days through tractors, and how the Mastaka Abhisheka has been done, here you can observe here through tractors they are transporting. That much tall it is actually, that much weight it is. Those are very old photos and very good memory for us. Oh, some milk abhisheka is going on actually. Some abhishekas going on. That photos, those are. These are very famous in Dharmasthala, Heggade family people. These photos are abhisheka photos actually. I think he's Heggade, he's the member of Heggade family, I think. You can observe here how beautifully they were built at the olden days without technology and all. And nearby Netravati river, some photos are available here. And some Heggade family people, Heggade family members were there in that old photos. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment section below. I will definitely reply for your queries. Regarding this tour, regarding this Dharmasthala, regarding this transportation, accommodation and everything, I will give you a reply within no time. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe the channel for more updates and more interesting videos. And click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you. Thank you all. I think the main reason behind the construction of the Manjunatha temple is like Jain temple means Jain culture impact was there while constructing. It was the reason actually.